Hey, it's me again, your girl Van Zieg, aka Vanessa. Welcome back to my page, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. On today's video, I'm going to be creating my first Valentine's Day nail set. I wanted to keep it simple and cute. As I was saying, I wanted to keep it simple and cute. So hopefully everyone is okay out there in the world. Happy New Year, happy holidays if you're still on vacation, and a belated Merry Christmas, happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa to all of those out in the world celebrating different things. That's why I say usually happy holidays. And of course, happy New Year. All right, so if you are new to my channel, I do all types of unboxings, mostly nail designs and wig tutorials or application tutorials, and just anything else that I think I want to share with my group of people in my squad, the V-HNM Squad. All right, so if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm sure you're gonna like something that I have to put out here today for you and or in the future. Okay, and don't forget to hit that like button. It gets me in the algorithm. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to be using my favorite nail tips, the Beetles Tipex Instant Apex nails in the medium almond shape. I love these nail tips. I got the half matte ones. I have reviewed them before on several of my other videos. If you want to go back and check it out, please do so. But yeah, I'm just going to start off by finding my sizes, and then I'm going to do some nail prep, and then we'll get into applying the nails. All right, stay tuned. Okay, I did my nail prep off camera this time, and I applied my removable base coat so that these nails are easier to come off when I'm ready to take them off. So now I'm gonna go in with my Beetles nail glue to apply the nails to my fingertips. All right, stay tuned. Oh, and I'm going to be applying them using a flash cure method where you apply the nail at a 45-degree angle, making sure the glue spreads up to your free edge, and then cure it for 10 seconds under your flash cure lamp. I'm using the Beetles one attached to my desk right now. Once I have everything applied, I will cure everything for a full 60 seconds in my bigger nail lamp. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so now that I have applied the nails, they came out beautiful to me. I love these nail tips because I don't have to worry about building an apex. So I get that salon quality, as I always say, while I'm at home. I get that look I'm looking for. So yeah, and so now I'm going to just go ahead and clean up the nails using my mini Mandrel. And this, I think it's a 180 grit sanding band. Okay. Oh, and my Beetles nail drill. Love this nail drill. And of course, as usual, everything I'm using will be linked below, either through Amazon or through a direct link to the websites where I buy them from. And I'll have any discount codes that I have with any of these vendors as well in the description below. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some Beetles foundation gel or base gel to just smooth out any lumps and bumps I may have created while filing the nails. I also believe that this makes the nail polish go on a lot smoother and come out shinier when you do this step. All right, so yeah, stay tuned. Oh, and I'm gonna apply and then cure for 60 seconds for each hand or for each nail. Or once I'm finished, apply the base gel to each nail. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with Madam Glam's Legacy on all the nails. Like I said, I'm keeping this set really cute and really simple. And I really love Madam Glam's products. Again, everything I'm using will be linked below. If not linked, I will definitely have a discount code for their products listed below as well. Okay, yeah, stay tuned. My apologies, V-HNM Squad. My camera died because I was trying to record in 4K, so it uses my battery a lot faster. But again, it was pretty much already done anyway. I just finished painting all the nails in this beautiful Legacy Red by Madam Glam. Then applied a Beetles shiny top coat, which is absolutely stunning. I'll try to link everything I used again in the description box below. And then I applied tiny rhinestones at the middle cuticle area of all the nails. And then I applied one heart rhinestone and on my ring fingers, and then across that I created like almost a diagonal through the heart rhinestone on both the ring fingernails. Okay, again, apologies for my camera dying. I gotta start paying more attention to the life expectancy of when I'm recording in a higher quality. Okay, so yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed what I had to put out here today. I think the nail set came out beautiful. It's a great inspiration for the Valentine's Day month coming up, and I know everybody's already starting to get theirs out there. And this one's super cute and super simple. Okay, so yeah, this has been your girl Van Zieg, aka Vanessa. I will see y'all in the next one. Vanessa out. Peace.
When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say. Body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me